Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to be sharing some hacks and tips that I use on my bathroom. So if you're interested in seeing this, keep watching. So first, just starting out in the shower, one thing that I love to do is use this little squeegee that I got from the Dollar Tree, and every time we finish taking a shower we just wipe down the glass doors, and this just helps prevent calcium buildup and water stains on the glass and makes it so much easier to clean when it's time to be cleaned. And I just keep this hanging in the shower on a little hook. Now when it comes time to cleaning the shower, I prefer to clean it while I'm actually in the shower, and for that I use this Dollar Tree squeegee. I fill this up with Dawn dish soap, and you can also put vinegar in here as well, which will help disinfect. And I just take this to wipe down the walls and clean in all the little nooks and crannies. Our shower is a little bit on the larger side, so what I have done is hung this shower curtain, and this just saves me from having to wipe down those two glass doors each and every time we shower. And every so often as needed, I will go ahead and just clean those glass doors. Moving on to mirrors. Now this is in between cleanings when I'm doing my bathroom. A lot of times we get toothpaste splash marks there. So what I like to do is just splash a little bit of water and take a microfiber cloth. This one just happens to be from Norwex, and it's specifically for glass, and I just wipe it clean. This is quick and an easy way to do an in-between cleaning and prevents you from having to get out any of your cleaners. Moving on to sinks, this is another little hack that I like to do in between my cleanings, or say you have a guest that's coming to visit unexpectedly. This is something you can do in a hurry. Just take a little bit of the hand soap, rub that in your hands, and give the faucet a good rub down, and also your sink just to clean it out, and then you just take a little towel and dry it. So when it comes time to our bathroom trashes, what we like to do is reuse these grocery bags, and we just put a stash in the bottom there, and it makes it so quick and easy when it comes time to emptying and replacing. Okay, and I saved the best for last. This is the toilets, and this is, I'm sorry guys, the grossest. This is my boys' bathroom, and by the way, I wanted to recommend this toilet seat because it is slow closing, so for anybody with little boys, the toilet seat does not slam. And what's also cool about this toilet seat is that you can remove it, and wait till you see what's here. It's kind of embarrassing. I do have the boys clean their own bathroom, but they don't quite do as good of a job as mom, so every now and again I will go through and clean it because, as you can see, disgusting. Anybody who has little boys will totally relate to this, and who am I kidding, if you have a man in your life too, this would happen as well, I'm sure. So if you ever have a bathroom that smells like urine even after you've cleaned it, you might want to be checking there. So then I just give the entire toilet seat a spray down. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Some of those are just stains that won't come off. And no, I do not wear gloves when cleaning the bathroom. Some people might think that's gross, but that's fine. I do wash my hands. In fact, in this video, I washed my hands several times because I was holding the camera. But I never wore gloves when I changed my kids' diapers, so as long as I'm washing my hands, it's all good. And here I'm just showing you underneath the whole toilet contraption. There is stuff everywhere. It's so gross. So just making sure you're paying attention to the detail and cleaning all that grime up, because all of this will contribute to that odor in your bathroom. And here I'm just showing you the rag that I used to clean, how much stuff was on there, how gross that is. Next, I'm just cleaning up the bottom of the toilet as well. Some gets splashed down here, and it's also important that you make sure you clean the floor surrounding your toilet and also the wall behind your toilet. This next tip I'm sure is well known because it's all over YouTube, but for those that don't know, you can just take your toilet brush and prop it underneath the toilet seat to let dry. And what I like to do is put a little bit of cleanser in the bottom of the toilet brush container just to help with the smell. You do want to be careful if you have little ones that can get their hands on this. It would not be recommended. Alright guys, that concludes this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.